Paddington, also known as London Paddington, is a central London railway terminus and London Underground station complex, located on Parade Street in the Paddington area. The site has been the London terminus of services provided by the Great Western Railway and its successors since 1838. Much of the main line station dates from 1854 and was designed by Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Paddington is the London terminus of the Great Western Main Line. Passenger services are primarily operated by Great Western Railway, which provides the majority of commuter and regional passenger services to West London and the Thames Valley region, as well as long-distance intercity services to South West England and South Wales. The station is also the eastern terminus for Heathrow Express and the western terminus for Elizabeth Line services from Shenfield. Elizabeth Line services also run through Paddington westwards to Reading, Heathrow Terminal 5, and Heathrow Terminal 4, and eastwards to Abbey Wood. Situated in Fare Zone 1, it has two separate tube stations providing connections to the Bakerloo, Circle, District, and Hammersmith and City lines. It is one of 11 London stations managed directly by Network Rail.